Hello kids, welcome to our video. Today we will learn 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our colors. This is our color. This is black color. This is chocolate color. This is pink color. This is orange color. This is red color. This is yellow color.
1 ONE 1 2 TWO 2 3 THRWE 3 4 FOUR 4 5 FIVE 5 6 SIX 6 7 SEVEN 7 8 EIGHT 8 9 NINE 9 and 10 TEN 10. Let's again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.